Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the surface and materials so the undercoat bonds and dries evenly. First, sand high gloss and flaking areas lightly to create bite. Dust off with a tack cloth so particles won't cause bumps. Once done, mix the undercoat thoroughly to reincorporate pigments and stabilizers and strain into a clean container to avoid lumps. Make sure your room is ventilated and you have a suitable respirator. This prevents inhaling solvents and ensures consistent curing. You now move into applying the undercoat with controlled technique so the finish is uniform. Start by cutting in around trims and corners with an angled brush, maintaining a wet edge so new paint blends seamlessly with the roll. Next, use a roller with a 9-12 mm nap for walls and apply a single thin, even coat rather than heavy layers. This prevents sagging and long dry times. Once rolled, lightly feather edges and back roll to level texture and catch any small drips. You finish by controlling drying and correcting minor faults so the top coat performs well. Follow the manufacturer's dry times, touch the center lightly to check tack, don't rush the next step or you'll trap solvents. If the surface shows imperfections, sand gently with 220 grit and remove all dust before priming or top coating because contaminants telegraph through layers. If you find runs or sags, smooth them while still damp. If fully dry, fill and spot prime first, then reapply a thin undercoat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.